Hey guys, I'm back and this is going to be an unboxing video for Vevor. They sent me a t-shirt press because I'm going to be making these fine t-shirts. And they are going to help me out. So let's get this thing unboxed. First of all, this thing is pretty heavy. I'm not really sure how big. Let's check it out. The box came just like this. It's 26.5 inches wide by 15.5 inches tall by 18 inches deep, and it is pretty heavy. So I did cut it open before we started just to see what's inside. First thing, list of instructions for the flat high pressure heat press machine. Got a little bit cut, but so English and Chinese. Here is a fuse. This looks to be some type of screen. And now it's big styrofoam. Oh, this thing's pretty big. I think I'm going to cut the box. I'll just have to find a place to put it. It's wrapped in some plastic. Pretty cool looking machine. Let's cut the box open, shall we? Like so. Ta-da! All right, let's get this off of here. Whoa. All right, see it's zip tied, the handle down. Let's get this open. Remember, work smarter, not harder. Since I am by myself, I don't want to lift this up. If I can help it. There we go. It's pretty heavy duty. All right, let's clear this table. And take a look at this thing. All right. Get some wire cutters. Cut off this zip tie. Let's see here. Done. Whoa, spring loaded. Let's get a nice bed. Piece of foam on there, sitting on another piece of foam. And then a slick surface up on top here. Let's close this down, clamps down. Got operations instructions on the right side here, and then the digital readout panel on the left, and the knob here. Power switch on the left side, and the fuse, hence the extra fuse that it came with. Big old cord on the side here. Looks like it might come undone. It does tighten in there. Okay, so let's take a closer look at this, shall we? Here you will see the power switch and the fuse. And then the big old mouth for the t-shirts. This is a pretty slick cover here with these removable heavy foam pieces. This is the heating table, I would imagine. Maybe this is the heating table. We're gonna have to read some instructions on it. See how it works. Close the lid. Here's the operator instructions. And then the digital readout panel. I'm going to plug it into the bench just to turn it on and see the functions, make sure that it works, since I'm just unboxing it now for the first time since I received it. And let's turn this on, shall we? All right. But let's shut it off so we don't warm it up. I'm going to shut it back down. I'm very excited to use this machine to make these t-shirts, in which I have about 30 on order. So why don't you come back and we'll make some t-shirts together with this and my Cricut. Thanks for watching.